Welcome back to our HAZOP series. In our last video, we introduced you to the basic of HAZOP, what it is and why it is important. Today, we will dive into the key terms and concepts you need to know before starting a HAZOP study. From Guidewords to Deviations, this video will make these terms easy to understand and practical to use. The main key HAZOP terminology used are node, parameters, guidewords, deviations, causes, consequences, and safeguards. One by one, we will go through their details. Node is a specific point in a process where HAZOP study is applied. For example, a heat exchanger, a pump or a pipeline junction, an absorber column, a stepper regenerator. Nodes are like checkpoints in a process where potential risk and inefficiencies are analyzed. The next term is parameters. These are variables that describe the process, such as flow, pressure, temperature, composition, and level. For example, for a pump, key parameters might be flow rate and pressure. The next term is guideword. Guidewords are used to systematically question the design and operation of a process. Common guidewords are no, less, more, reverse. For example, applying no to flow would suggest no flow, indicating a blockage in pipeline or the node under HAZOP study. Deviation is next term. Deviations are variations from design intent that may lead to hazard or inefficiencies. For example, deviation no flow could result in pump overheating or process interruption or process upset. Next terminology is causes. Causes are reasons for deviation, such as equipment failure, human error, or external factors. For example, blockage in pipeline or suction valve closed could cause no flow. Consequences are potential outcome of deviation if left unaddressed. For example, overpressure leading to equipment failure or safety risk. Safeguard. Safeguard are existing control or measures to mitigate risk. For example, pressure safety valves, pressure control valve on recycle line, alarms, flow alarms or pressure alarms, low pressure alarm, low flow alarms, high pressure alarms, or standard operating procedures. To wrap up the video, we have covered the essential building blocks of HAZOP study, from nodes and parameter to guidewords and deviations. These concepts form the backbone of HAZOP process and help ensure safety and efficiency. In the next video, we will take this knowledge further and demonstrate how to conduct HAZOP session step by step. We will show you how to put this knowledge into action. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned.